Hi everybody, this is Connie from How To with Connie. In this quick video, I would like to show you how you can use your freeze pane tool to keep your important rows and columns visible while you scroll. So as we have this spreadsheet here, one of the problems that comes is as you scroll down, you are not able to see or compare what the rows are. So as you scroll down, that title bar disappear, which is up here. So what we're going to do first, I want to highlight the bar that we want to freeze, which is that very top row. And what we're going to do is go to view. I'm already at view and hit the freeze pane button. And what we're going to do is hit freeze top row. And now as you scroll down, you are able to see the title or you're able to see what the rows are, identify the rows, and be able to identify what the numbers and text are in that cell. So another thing that we can also do is you can view this in a different way. You can also view it just by the columns. Let's unfreeze that very first top row. And let's say that you want to keep your months, but maybe you want to compare like different things like the cookie or the sales unit or the total revenue based on the month. So what we're going to do is select the month column, go back up to freeze pane. We're going to freeze that very first column. And now what you're able to do is just scroll. I'm going to use a scroll bar down here and just compare. You can look at your month of January, see what the sales units are. And now another thing, we can do more of a custom type of freeze panel. So let's go and unfreeze this. And you can freeze any of your rows or columns by just selecting a cell below and to the right of the section that you want to freeze. So let's say, for example, I want to compare the January and February to the other months. So I'm going to select March, that March month. Then we're going to go back up to freeze panes and we're just going to hit the freeze panes. And then what will happen as we scroll down, you're able to scroll and compare different months in this particular case. And you can do this with any way that you want to do it. This was makes it custom. So let's say that I unfreeze this pane, and let's just say I want to just freeze the month and regions. So what I will do is let me select cookies here, and then go to freeze pane, and let's hit freeze panes again. And then what will happen is that the month and region stayed, and you can compare that way. So I hope this was very helpful for you today. Simple and to the point. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more of my quick tips on my channel of How To with Connie. Thank you and have a great day.